Good lighting can completely change the way your videos look. I created this course to help filmmakers, photographers, and content creators light like pros, with simple tools. Light isn't just exposure, it's emotion. In this course, you'll learn how to shape light like a storyteller, with simple tools and clear logic, from classic Rembrandt and Hollywood setups to stylized neon and dramatic shadows. 6 modules, step-by-step lessons, real-time demos and downloadable guides, shot in real locations, with behind-the-scenes breakdowns from actual productions. This course gives you the tools to light any scene with confidence and style. Make light your language. Start learning today with real examples and step-by-step guidance. Link in description. Make your shots look cinematic right now.